vineyards, quiet country roads, and some of the most beautiful views in South Australia. Today, we're exploring the Barossa Valley.
Hi mga kalads!
Hi mga kalads!
Another day!
Another day!
My name is Marcel.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Francie.
And
We are the Lads!
Akala nyo, nasa New Zealand kami na.
Ang ganda, di ba?
Well, nagkakamali kayo. Nandito pa rin kami sa South Australia. So, nasaan kami ngayon?
Yes, we are here in Barossa Valley and we are trying to go to places here instead of wine.
Yes.
Para maiba-iba naman.
May iba naman.
Yes, kasi
Yes.
di ba ang Barossa Valley is mostly known for
The
wine region. But tingnan nyo naman guys, it's like New Zealand.
It's more than a wine region.
Very nice,
so,
really.
And Barossa is
Ang
one
gandang
of the
picture ano tawag?
picturesque
Picturesque.
and one of the icons of
Yes.
South Australia. So it's a must.
We are trying to explore places here in Barossa Valley. Let's go!
About an hour from Adelaide, the landscape starts changing, and once you reach Barossa, the drive becomes part of the experience.
Welcome to Tanunda Jacobs Creek. Hello, we've made it to Tanunda. This is the heart of Barossa Valley. All right, friends. So what are we here for if it's not for wine tasting?
We're here to explore the surroundings and the scenery.
All right, we're gonna explore Barossa Valley. Come on.
Welcome to Tanunda. With its heritage streets, charming town center, and vineyards stretching beyond the horizon, Tanunda feels like a place where the old and new comes together. This is the Barossa at a slower pace. Good food, beautiful countryside, and plenty of stories around every corner. For us, this is where the Barossa adventure continues.
Ganda doon, pwede tayo mag-tea?
Yeah! Grabe.
Wow. This is
They look like rocks.
really old, pero ito yung matitibay na klase ng rocks.
So guys, here at Tanunda, I love this place because I really feel that country town feeling and that relaxed and homey feel. So guys, let's go explore more of Tanunda.
Meron yan. Ayun, cafe, Nosh. Ayun, no?
Okay. Acupuncture o dahil? Nagkatong acupuncture?
Natural na tawag. Basta wag ka masagasaan, yun ang mahalaga. Old Mill Brewery. I hope the beer is nice.
So we've made it to Tanunda. We're starting here before heading further into the countryside because later today we're chasing some of the best views we can find in Barossa.
And food?
Somebody's already thinking about food.
Ay, parang maganda sa loob. Di ba na-sit inside? Maganda dun.
Ayaw nga, no? It's a nice one.
Outside, ang
Oo.
ganda.
Now, we're leaving the town behind. Because out here, beyond the roads, beyond the noise, is the place we've been waiting for. And trust me, this is where the adventure really begins.
This is the Barossa we came looking for. Away from the busy streets, everything opened up. Vineyards stretching across the hills, country roads disappearing into the distance, and everywhere you look, another view.
Wow! Now that is a view. Some places you visit, and some places you never forget.
One thing we've learned from traveling around South Australia, sometimes the best thing you can do is stop. No rushing, no checklist, just take in the view.
We've explored Tanunda, driven through the countryside, and found one incredible lookout. But we're saving our biggest view.
In 500 meters, turn left.
From the streets of Tanunda to the quiet countryside of Bethany, the views from Stain Garden, and finally, Mangler Hill. One valley, one family, another adventure. Another day with the lads.
So mga kalads, tapos na naman tayo sa another adventure.
Yes! I hope guys you enjoyed our trip today here in the Barossa.
So Franz, what is your favorite among those places?
My favorite is definitely gonna be the town, but I also forgot again. But
Tanunda.
Tanunda, okay.
Okay, that's good.
Because we got to eat and I love eating. So yeah.
So I think guys, that's the wrap for the trip today. And I hope you guys you enjoyed everything that you've seen, the scenery, the drone shots. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please
Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our newly posted videos.
lovely.
My name is Marcel.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Francie,
And we are the lads. Bye guys.
See you next time.
Thank you for subscribing.